back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use find and replace feature in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Firstly, open the saved document you have, then press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. Here you will see the window will be open. Name it find and replace. Now in find what type the text or number you want to change, like I'm pressing UK. In replace with enter the new value. We will change it to then you can when you can select find all, you will see 5 cells with UK. Now you want to click on replace all. Here you will see all done. We made 5 replacements. Now you will see UK change into Iran. Also you can change from ribbon menu, go to home tab, click find and select. Here you will see find replace. From there you can change like USH and replace with UK. Here you will see the first is US, ninth is US, 12th and 14 also. Click on replace all. Here you will see, and that's it. Find and replace is one of the most powerful time saving tool in Excel. Once you start using it, you will never go back to manual editing. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.